Instagram is a popular social media app that has created quite a buzz in the world of the internet. There are almost or more than 1 billion active users of Instagram currently. If you are not able to follow user on Instagram, it's most likely that your account would have reported instance of inauthentic activity to Instagram. For example, you might use a third-party bot or service to automate followers like share etc. Or you might have followed and or unfollowed lots of accounts in a short span of time. I can't follow people on Instagram. How do I fix it? Here are a few quick fixes you can try to get back the ability to follow others. Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Instagram not working to follow. Number 1. Use a different internet network. At times, the block would be targeting your internet connection's IP address. So try to log in into the Instagram app from a different internet connection. For instance, if you have previously used your mobile data, log into Instagram from your Wi-Fi network and check if you are now able to follow others. First, open the App Store. Click search bar, then type Instagram. Click Instagram. If you get any update, please update. Now turn off the internet connection from your phone. Then turn on the internet connection again. Then enable airplane mode. Then disable airplane mode. Go to settings. Click general. Click iPhone storage. Find Instagram. Click Instagram. Then click offload app. Click offload app. Then click reinstall app. Wait for a while. The process will take 5 to 10 minutes to complete. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. After following all the steps, restart your phone. Number 2. Log in with another device. Now, provided your account has not been flagged for any unusual activity, logging into Instagram from another device can sometimes do the trick. So sign out of your account and log into it using a different device like a PC or tablet. Number 3. Report the problem to Instagram support. You can request for support within the action block message when you receive it, but you can also do it by app settings. Here, how to do it. Open Instagram app. Then go to profile. Tap hamburger menu. Go to settings. Tap on help. Then tap report a problem. Click report a problem. Click include and continue. Write something about your problem here. If you have any problem to write something, you can copy my text. After writing, you can provide a screenshot of your problem. Then click send. If you have any problem, please comment.